Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the informational or informative voices in 11 Labs. So the first thing you have to do is go to the website and click on the sidebar option menu here. Click on voices and then click on the library section. It will bring you to a page like this. All you have to do is click on the informative and educational section, and you'll see all the voices that correspond with what you are aiming for. You can also proceed to sample check each voice to make sure they have your standard.
There are a few things in life that you need to understand.
Okay, let's check James.
The beginning of knowledge is the discovery of something we do not understand.
So you can just sample them and select a voice by clicking on the add. This will be added to this section called my voices, where you can now work with them. So this is how you can use informational or informative voices in 11 Labs. If this video has been helpful, please consider leaving a comment below. Do have a great day.